Okay, so the Thatcham Category S5 insurance approved tracking systems from Autosparx. Here's your driver tag. You can have a smartphone driver tag or a physical tag. I prefer the physical tag, personal choice, but there you go. So depending on what system you've got installed in your vehicle, this tag identifies you as the authorised driver / owner of such vehicle. If you've not got the tag with you, if it's a standard S5 system, the monitoring centre will alert the registered owner of the vehicle as soon as the vehicle is moved without seeing the tag. If it's the S5 Plus system with the immobilisation, without the tag present, the vehicle simply won't start. So this little tag's got a 3032 battery inside it, which we recommend to change every 12 months just to keep it nice and strong. You can turn the tag off if you're not using it for any amount of time, but it's typically people leave them turned on all the time, which is fine. 12 months time, change your battery. Take the tag apart, just prise it apart there. 3032 battery inside. If you do need a you know, if you're going away for a while, you're going to store your tag, you're not going to use it. If you press and hold the centre here, you'll see one flash. That's that tag switched off, so not draining the battery inside the tag. So that's a spare tag, can be put away, saved away. But obviously if you're using the tag with a vehicle, it needs to be switched on. So we press the button again, 3 flashes, tag switched on. So it's advisable to keep your driver tag switched on all the time, unless you've got a spare, in which case with your spare set of keys, just leave it turned off until you need to use it. That's the Thatcham Category S5 approved stolen vehicle tracking and monitoring system with driver identification.